everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can adjust the height of your double crochet stitches. As you can see, these are all double crochets and the first one is like a quarter of the last one. I will also show you how to make a stitch that I called the tall double crochet, or TDC for short. Let me know if this is a real crochet technique that already has a different name, but I couldn't find it anywhere, so I just called it the tall double crochet. I used this stitch in 3 of my recent designs. I will show you right here. And it quickly became one of my favorite stitches because it's really quick to make. It has a lot of drape, which I love in my garments, and I think it takes up low amount of yarn, so that's a plus. In this video I will first show you the idea behind this technique and how you can adjust the height of your double crochets, and then I will show you exactly how to work my tall double crochet, or TDC, and I will also show you how to increase it and how to decrease it. If you find this video helpful, please give me a like. I will link all of the patterns I mentioned in this video down below, and let's get into it. So first let's talk about the height of our double crochet stitches. If you ever made a double crochet stitch, you might have noticed that the height of your double crochet doesn't always look the same as someone else's. That's why you don't always get the gauge that's written in the pattern, even though you are using the same yarn and hook. That's because the height of a double crochet depends on how much you pull up your loops. Let me show you. After the first yarn over, this loop, if I don't pull it up a lot, my double crochet will be really small. It's like half of this double crochet. But if I pull this loop after yarn over a lot, my double crochet will be longer, as you can see. The idea for the tall double crochet came from experimenting with this double crochet height. I wanted a stitch that's approximately the height of a treble crochet. I have a tall double crochet swatch right here and treble crochet swatch right here. As you can see, the height is exactly the same, or about the same. After blocking, there would be a lot more holes in the triple crochet stitch than in the tall double crochet stitch. And the triple crochet stitch is a lot more compact, as you can see, and the fabric it creates has more holes, and it's also a little bit more stiff than the tall double crochet. As you can see, the tall double crochet doesn't have as many holes because the stitches are a lot looser, and because of it, it has a lot more drape as well. Here you can see side by side. So let's look at how to actually make the tall double crochet. The tall double crochet is worked just like normal double crochet, but instead of keeping the loop close to the hook, you will pull it up higher. And the height of your tall double crochet depends on the turning chain at the beginning of your row. I will chain 4 and my tall double crochet will be about the height of my triple crochet, but you can also chain 5 or chain 8 and have your tall double crochet really high. So let's begin by chaining 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4, and I will turn my work. And first you will Let me show you closer. First, you will yarn over and insert your hook into your stitch. Then yarn over again and pull up a loop. And this is the key part. You will extend this loop to the height of the chain 4. So this is at the height of chain 4, as you can see. Or if you have chain 8, you will extend this loop to the height of your chain 8. Now you will continue like normal double crochet. So yarn over and pull through just 2 loops. And again yarn over and pull through the 2 remaining loops. This is your first tall double crochet done. Let me show you again. Yarn over and insert your hook into your stitch. Yarn over, pull up a loop, and this loop, this first loop, will be extended to the height of your previous stitch or your chain 4. And then now yarn over and pull through just 2 loops, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. This is second tall double crochet done. And you have to be careful to pull up the loop into the same height every time. It takes a bit of practice, but I think it's worth it. Here you can see I pulled up this loop a little bit higher, just a tiny bit, so it has a bit of puckering, but it's okay. You would block it out. It doesn't matter. Let me finish this row and show you how the tall double crochets look. I think this is a really quick stitch because you are basically doing the height of 2 rows in 1 row. And here you can compare my tall double crochet stitches with normal double crochet stitches. As you can see, they are a lot looser and kind of drapier, and they have less holes. I will now also show you how you can do the really tall double crochet. So I will chain 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wow, that's a tall stitch. So let's insert our hook into first stitch, and you have to pull really high like this, and now yarn over, and that's the first stitch done. Let me do the whole row and I will show you how it looks. And this is the really tall double crochet done. I chained 8, and as you can see, this is normal double crochet, this is chain 4 double crochet, and this is chain 8 tall double crochet. And now let's look at how to shape this stitch. So for tall double crochet increase, it's exactly the same as regular double crochet increase. You will simply work 2 tall double crochets into the same stitch. So let's work first tall double crochet and second into this first stitch. You might have to work more tall double crochet increases than normal double crochet increases, because throughout this height you would increase 1 and 2 stitches, but it's the same height but you will increase just one stitch. So you might have to increase more. Did I say decrease? I meant increase. Okay, now I have 2 stitches remaining in this row, and I will show you how to decrease the tall double crochet. It's exactly the same as a regular double crochet decrease. You will yarn over, insert your hook into the first stitch, and you will yarn over and pull up a loop. Pull it up to the height of your previous stitch, and yarn over and pull through 2 loops, but don't finish your tall double crochet stitch. And let's do the same into the last stitch. So yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up the loop really high, yarn over and pull through just 2 loops. And now you will yarn over and pull through all the loops on your hook. And this is your tall double crochet decrease done. If you want to try it, I will link the written patterns for these designs in my description. And as always, if you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe for more crochet tutorials and designs. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!